Okay, so this is the problem we want to solve. The minimum area of triangle formed by any tangent to the ellipse x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1 and the coordinate axis. So first of all, if we draw an ellipse, okay, so let's take this as an ellipse, okay, and the equation of ellipse is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1, we know. So this length is a, this length is b, that part is clear, right? Now at any point, if we, there is a point and if we draw a tangent at it, so that tangent is going to intersect the coordinate axis. Let's say I will call these points as P, and okay, what we will do is I will do that, I will call this point as P, and then the intersection points with axis, let me call this as Q and R, and this point center as O, which is obviously origin O00. So we want to find the minimum area, right? So what is the minimum area of triangle OQR, and we want the minimum area. So how to solve that? तो इसे सॉल्व करने के लिए सबसे पहले तो ये ध्यान में रखो कि आप कोई भी क्वाड्रेंट में लोगे तो सिमेट्रिक सिचुएशन से, तो मैं फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट का ही सिचुएशन ले लेता हूँ. So what can we take the general point P as? So P can be taken as A cos theta, B sin theta. Right? Let P A cos theta, B sin theta be a point on ellipse. Right? ये ellipse पे ही रहेगा for any value of theta. So hence tangent at P, right, it will be x into a cos theta upon a square, x x1 plus y y1, which is b sin theta upon b square, and that is equal to 1. So the equation of tangent becomes x cos theta upon a, x cos theta upon a plus y sin theta upon b is equal to 1. It is tangent. Now, this is the tangent we have. So we have P theta, and we have taken that Q and R, O, okay, Q and R. So if I rearrange this equation, we get x upon a upon cos theta, x divided by a upon cos theta plus y divided by b upon sin theta is equal to 1. So length OQ is equal to a upon cos theta, and length QOR is equal to b upon sin theta, right? Because I hope you know कि Q के कोऑर्डिनेट होंगे a by cos theta 0 और R के कोऑर्डिनेट होंगे 0 b upon sin theta, correct? Hence area of triangle OQR is half into OQ into OR, which is half into OQ की वैल्यू जो होगी OQ is a upon cos theta and OR is b upon sin theta, which is simply AB upon sin 2 theta. AB upon sin 2 theta. Now, area of triangle is equal to, हमें मिला AB upon sin 2 theta is minimum if sin 2 theta is maximum, correct? But we want to find the minimum area, right? So sin 2 theta is maximum, hence minimum area of triangle, जो भी ट्रायंगल हमने लिया है, मिनिमम एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल OQR जो कुछ भी हमें रिक्वायर्ड था, इज A into B. So I think the answer is clear to you. A, B options में तरफ जाते हैं. So yes, option A is there, A, B, and that is your answer. Thank you.